our goal is to have not hundreds of researchers in early detection, but thousands in the next decade, and I think we're well on our way.
Foundation is a non-profit organization that has been set up to raise money and awareness about early detection of cancers. The high-tech community in BC has embraced this idea and is fully participating in this wonderful soapbox derby this afternoon. Tens of thousands of dollars have been raised, so congratulations to all of our competitors for jumping right in and helping out with the cause. We thank you all very much for being here to make this a fun event.
So it's 2 flying toasters, and there'll be some more toast coming later.
And water to put up the smoke, which is definitely proven technology.